So his path in the print age, I think, is very similar to what we should follow now that we're in the digital age. Aldous engaged with the new technology of his day and shaped it to suit his intellectual needs and to create new intellectual possibilities. So we need to develop tools and methods that can help us make sense of these new sources of information, be they born digital data created in the last few years or digitized versions of previous cultural works. And we need those tools and methods to be suited to the needs of the arts and humanities. So to work both at the new large scale of the big data, the exabytes, the zettabytes of data, and at the small scale of the close reading of the study of a single author, of a single period, of a single idea.